In 2017, a group of researchers at Google published a paper called "Attention is All You Need." Nobody knew it then, but this single paper would completely change how machines understand language. This was the birth of the transformer architecture, and nothing in AI was ever the same again. In 2018, Google took the transformer and built something new, BERT. For the first time, a machine could read a sentence and understand the meaning of every word based on everything around it. Not left to right, not right to left, both directions at once. Search engines, chatbots, translation tools, everything changed overnight.
While Google had BERT, OpenAI was building something different. In 2018, they released GPT. BERT understood language. GPT could generate it. Give it a few words, and it would write the rest itself. With every new version, it got bigger, smarter, more convincing. By the time GPT-3 arrived in 2020, people could not tell if a machine or a human had written it. BERT and GPT were powerful, but they lived inside big companies. In 2018, a small startup called Hugging Face changed that. They built a platform where anyone could download, use, and share AI models for free. Researchers, students, developers, everyone got access. What was once locked inside Google and OpenAI was now available to the entire world. Today, transformers are not just in research papers. They are inside your phone, your search engine, your email, your hospital, your bank. Every time you ask a question online, every time autocomplete finishes your sentence, every time a doctor gets an AI-assisted diagnosis, a transformer is working silently behind it. You use it every day without knowing its name. Transformers started with text. Then they learned to see images. Then they learned to hear audio. Now, a single model can read, see, and listen all at once. Every few months, something bigger arrives. The models are getting larger, faster, cheaper. Nobody knows exactly where this ends, but everyone agrees we are still closer to the beginning than the end. Once the world saw what transformers could do, every major company moved. Google launched Gemini. Meta released Llama openly to the public. Microsoft put billions into OpenAI. Amazon, Apple, every big name entered the race. What started as one research paper in 2017 had become the most competitive technology battle in human history. But this race has a price. Training one large AI model consumes as much electricity as hundreds of homes use in a year. Data centers are growing faster than cities. Water is used to cool the machines. Jobs that existed for decades are disappearing. The same technology that is solving problems is quietly creating new ones. Progress always has two sides. Researchers began asking a different question. What if we did not have to train everything from scratch every time? Techniques like fine-tuning, transfer learning, and mixture of experts arrived. Instead of building a new brain for every task, you take one trained brain and teach it something new. Less data, less electricity, less cost. The same intelligence used more wisely. It started with 8 researchers and 1 paper in 2017. Today, transformers are inside every major technology you use. They have changed how we search, how we write, how we diagnose, how we create. The models are getting smarter and more efficient every single year. We are living inside the most important technological shift of our lifetime, and most people have not even noticed. If this series made you think, subscribe. The next story is already being written.